Reality check man from your device and you know say aromatic realistic TV. Anyway, peeps, to them want for sure no say when me tell you no say the Jamaica Labour Party is in serious trouble. I mean that they are in serious trouble. They are showing sign of weakness and desperation. If you have to draw for a Mike Henry to mobilize and to turn out your base, it's telling you that they are in deep trouble. Now, my people, they say once a man, twice a child, and obviously over here, Mike Henry is in that baby stage once more of his life. Now, they say this was a surprise, my people. But if you want to surprise a man at this stage of his life, I think you would rent a hotel or his home. You bring some loyal friends to his house or at a hotel and throw a party for him. Where them can sit down and what he can recall, they can talk and have a laugh over it. But for you to use him to galvanize your base, and when you look in the crowd is scanty. So it is a political move, psychologically, they were trying to make, Mike Henry situation to mobilize their base, my viewers and subscribers, to bring their base out. But as I said before, obviously, when you look in that crowd, it is telling a different story. My viewers and subscribers, I said, they say once a man and twice a child. Mike Henry is back in that child stage. Why would they choose to expose a man like this to the public, knowing that this man is ill? Why? The question is why? And I said before, and I will say it again, political desperation. The Jamaica Labour Party is in deep waters. And no time soon, it does not seem like their head is gonna come above waters. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to tell me in the comment section if this was a wise move from the Jamaica Labour Party hierarchy, knowing this man situation, knowing that this man is ill, knowing that this man is back into that baby stage of his life again, and to expose this man to this environment. I want you to tell me, my viewers and subscribers, if this look good. I want you to tell me if this is showing sign of desperation and also political weakness. You tell me down below and make Aromatic know what they want. Because in the sight of Aromatic, this is showing weakness and this is showing desperation. Because this man, obviously, is ill. And as they says, once a man, twice a child. Peace and love, Mike Henry. I say go. We grow up to respect the elders. It no matter if you are P, or it no matter if you are J, and it no matter if you are UIC, you are a Jamaican. And it's obvious right now that this man is ill. I wish him the best. And, speedy recovery. You understand of what he may troubled by. I saw you go. Respect to the elders. Remember, my people, to like and share, and also to follow Aromatic Realistic TV on YouTube. I don't want you to keep this as a secret. We want to spread it and echo it across the four corners of the globe. Because we say united we stand. are divided with drop. And we say, each man is your brother. And you must show them love and respect. And we also tell them, say, God and good road. And we also tell them, say, straight and plain. Remember to always show respect to your elders. Remember, always show respect to your elders. Until then, we chat again. Because you don't know, it's Aromatic Realistic TV. Be a part of history. Continue to subscribe. Like up the thing and share it. Because you don't know, we are here to stay. Peace and love. Art of love, man. Art of love. Art of love. Art of love.